Hello po, God bless us all. To God be the glory po ulit. Just a life quote. 5 people who will not enter heaven. Number 1, those who are not accepting Jesus or reject Jesus and refuse to accept Jesus' sacrificial death and resurrection will not be in a reconciled relationship with God. Number 2, people who are unrepentant sinners. Those who persistently and unrepentantly engage in sinful behaviors without seeking forgiveness and transformation through Christ may face the consequence of being separated from God. Number 3, people who are hypocrites. Those who claim to follow God but live hypocritical lives, lacking genuine faith and love for others, may not be having a place in heaven. God desires authenticity and a true transformation of the heart. Number 4, people that will not be able to enter to heaven are those who are proud and self-righteous. People who rely on their own self-righteousness and refuse to acknowledge their need for God's grace and forgiveness may miss out on the true understanding of salvation. Number 5, people that will not be able to enter to heaven are those who refuse to forgive. Jesus taught the importance of forgiveness, and those who harbor unforgiveness and refuse to extend grace and reconciliation to others may find it difficult to enter into the fullness of God's forgiveness themselves. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope it will give you a little life lesson and motivation. To God be the glory po, and always have faith to our Creator. God bless us all and stay safe. Hugs and kisses. Thanks for watching my contents.